Hey there, everybody. I know I'm not there live in person at Community Summit this year. COVID decided to come knocking on my door just moments before boarding my flight. But I still wanted to present my section of the Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement or CRM General Session, which is supposed to be a 4-minute update on what is coming in the release notes for Dynamics for Sales and Dynamics for Marketing or Customer Insights Journeys. And what I wanted to spend our time together in this section to focus on is Copilots, because Copilots are everywhere, especially in sales and Customer Insights Journeys. So let's walk through this. First, in the marketing world, content creation and generate ideas. Wow, is this cool? Directly in the app, I can select what I want, what my content is about, add additional key points, select my tone of voice, and then Copilot's going to give me copy that I can simply insert into my design. Isn't that incredible? So you can train the model, of course. You can tell it what you want to change, but if you like one of the ideas that just pops in here, just add it right there. Natural language journey creation. I love this. Describe it to design it for your journey. Select what you want, type in what you'd like, and then you're simply going to generate the journey. Click a button and it starts to populate your journey canvas. Isn't this incredible? It pre-populates with some information, and of course, it's a suggestion, so you can click in each one of these and customize it. Domain Assistance Copilot. Has anyone set up Domain Assistance? It is just very cumbersome, and it doesn't have to be. In Copilot, they're going to detect what your domain hosting provider is and then give you a simple export for all of your CNAME details. Set up quiet times. This one's coming hopefully this month. This works for email, SMS, push notifications, and any custom channels that you have set up in Customer Insights Journeys. So those are some really cool features that are coming in Customer Insight Journeys in the Copilot world. So let's move on to sales, shall we? Sales Copilot. Sales Copilot is so cool. So I've got a demo here that I'm going to play on the right as I kind of talk through it. But this Sales Copilot does a lot of things. It gives you recommended content. It will summarize the data from within CRM, either Dynamics 365 or Salesforce, to prepare you for a meeting. It has real-time tips and answers during meetings. The screen that's playing right now is just showing you how you can create an entire email just based on natural language in there. It's going to give you a draft and then you can start to tweak it. You can rate it thumbs up or thumbs down, which you should because it will better train your model. And there's just so many cool things you can do. You can see I can change my tone. I want to change it to friendly. So then I just click a button and it will rewrite that draft email from a friendly tone. There's also the ability to add a meeting suggestion and it will query your availability. So once you find one you like, you just add it to your inbox and then boom, send it off. So Sales Copilot has changed my life. I think it's incredible. Now I want to talk about 2 in-app settings that you can configure to make your Sales Pilot a little bit more powerful. So let's take a look at the first one, which is the record summary. The record summary is undeniably a phenomenal asset with the Sales Copilot. However, you are limited to 7 fields that are going to be used to create that summary. And what do you have now? Well, they're kind of out-of-the-box fields that Microsoft thinks most people would use. Now, some of these, like the customer need, the proposed solution, are fields that I hide for all of my customers because they don't really provide much value. And those are included in your selected fields. So remove the out-of-the-box fields that you're not using on your table. Replace it with the custom fields that you have created that mean more for your business, which will create a deeper, more appropriate record summary for your users. And you would do that in your app settings area of the Sales Hub. So if you're using other model-driven apps, you have to go to the Sales Hub first, General Settings, and then select Sales Copilot. The second thing that you can configure is your record summary. So your record summary is on the right-hand side here, and then it's going to look like that. Isn't that a beautiful record summary? And again, that's being generated directly from the 7 fields that are selected. Then we have your record catch-up. Another one that you can kind of tweak a little bit and make it what you want it to be. The first 10 fields of the view will be used to create catch-up. So you can change it if you want. Also a note here, catch-up will only work if the audit trail is on. Obviously, right? Because you need to know what's happened since the last time you logged in. And the only way you can do that is by querying the audit history. So right now you only have opportunity and lead. The release notes does mention that this is coming soon for account, so I would assume we will see account there soon. And who knows, maybe contact, maybe some other tables. But that is your update in what's happening and what I'm excited to see in the sales and marketing world of Dynamics 365.